Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start with the essentials. You need owner or user access administrator rights, and you must pick the correct scope: subscription, resource group, or single resource. Once done, go to the Azure portal, open the Resources Access Control EM, and choose Add Role Assignment. Select Contributor as the role to grant management rights without tenant-wide admin powers. Make sure to think about least privilege so you don't overpermit. That saves time and reduces security risk later. Next, choose the principal: a user, group, service principal, or managed identity. Pick groups when you expect multiple people to share the role. You'll search and select the principal, verify the object ID and tenancy, and then confirm the precise scope to limit access. If you need automation, you can run as role assignment create or new as role assignment. Once you complete configuration, review the access preview to confirm intended permissions, and then commit the assignment. Finish by verifying the assignment in Access Control EM and checking effective permissions on the resource. Make sure the user can perform expected actions. Monitor activity logs for confirmation. The change can take a few minutes to propagate. If something goes wrong, first check for deny assignments or management locks that override contributor, and verify the principal's Azure AD status, especially for guest accounts. If propagation delay persists, wait 5 to 10 minutes, and then recheck permissions and audit logs.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.